Question Chapter 19. 1. When does a photon behave as a particle? 2. What are the measurements on which two observers in relative motion will always be agreed upon? 3. As a solid heated and begins to glow, why does it first appear red? 4. Will bright light eject more electrons from metal surface than a dimmer light of same color? 5. Why don't we observe Compton effect with visible light? 6. Can pair production take place in vacuum? Explain. 7. Is it possible to create single electron from energy? Explain. 8. When does light behave as a wave? When does it behave as a particle? 9. Does the brightness of beam of light depend on the frequency of photons or the number of photons? 10. When light shines on a surface, is momentum transferred to the metal surface? 11. Which proton, red, green or blue, carries the most? A. Energy. B. Momentum. 12. If electrons behaved only like particles, what pattern would you expect on the screen after the electron passed through the double slit? 13. Photon A has devised the energy of photon B. What is the ratio of the momentum of A to that of B? 14. Will higher frequency electron eject greater number of electrons than the low frequency light? Give the reason of your answer. 15. Does the time dilation mean that time really passes more slowly in moving systems or that it only seems to pass more slowly? 16. If you are moving in a spaceship at a very high speed relative to the Earth, would you notice a difference? A. In your pulse rate. B. In the pulse rate of people on Earth. 17. Differentiate between photoelectric effect and Compton effect. 18. What is the energy of quanta electron volt having wavelength of 400 nanometer? 19. What is the de Broglie wavelength of a particle of a mass 5 mg moving with 8 meter per second? 20. What do you understand by the work function and stopping potential? 21. A body is moving with the velocity of 0.95 c. Find the value of under root 1 minus v square over c square. 22. Write down the postulate of special theory of relativity. 23. What advantages on electron microscope has over optical microscope? 24. Define Compton effect and pair production. 25. Which has lower energy quanta, radio waves or X-rays?